In this video, we will show you how to change the filter cartridge in the air filter regulator. But before we jump in, let's quickly check for any signs of failure. A common reason is blockage in the filter cartridge. Alright, let's begin by removing the metal guard. Now, push down the lock to release the mechanism. Gently rotate the metal guard to loosen it. Once it's loose, take it out and keep it aside. Next, remove the filter ball carefully. Now, look for the black plastic part. Unscrew it by rotating it anti-clockwise. Once that's off, take out the old filter cartridge. Unwrap the new filter cartridge from its packaging. Insert the new cartridge into its place. Now, screw the black plastic part back in, but this time in a clockwise direction. Once that's secure, reassemble the filter ball. And finally, fix the metal guard back into place. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.